Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to create dumbbell charts. In the previous lesson, we have seen how to create a slope chart. The same dataset that we are going to use to create dumbbell charts. This dumbbell chart is an alternative visualization choice for illustrating the change between two data points. It is ideal for illustrating and comparing change between two groups or two data points. Especially, the circles represent the starting and ending time periods with a line between them resembling a dumbbell. Here we are looking at different countries being different dumbbells, and the longer the dumbbells means the more the country impacted by the change. So you can see this. So first we will create a line chart with markers. We have the options. Actually, there is no default setting for creating dumbbell charts. What we need to do, we have to create a line with marker charts. Okay. You can see I have created it using the same data. Okay. So let us first delete the axis, this y axis. We can delete it. Then the grid line, because there is no grid line here in this chart. Okay. We can delete it. So then what we need to do, we have to select this. Okay. The first line, that is 2019, represented by blue color. Then we can format data series. Right click and format data series. So here under fill options, we can click on no line. That means line is not there. Okay. Then we can marker. We can select the marker. This is the blue color by default. It has come. We will make it green. Okay. We can make it green, or this one will do it. Okay. Then what we can do? We can increase the width. Let us increase it up to 10. Okay, we can increase so that it will be clearly visible. Now it is done. So similarly for this also, for 2020 estimated data, we can also do the same. So here this is the line, then under line there is no line. Then we can go to the marker. Under marker we can what is the color? This is red color. Okay, we can select the red color. Then we can also increase this to 10 points. This is to 10 points we can increase. Okay. Then what we need to do, we have got all these data points, two data points. One is for 2019, another is 2020 estimated. What we need to do, we have to that connect the line between these two data points. So we have to go to chart design. Then so there is a line here. Okay. Under line chart element, then lines, then we can go for this high low lines. Okay, we have got the line connected. Then what we need to do, we have to select the line. Okay, we have to select the line. Okay, then right click, format high low lines. You can see this. So we can also increase the size so that it will look like one rectangle. You can see. So now it is looking like one rectangle. Okay. So what we need to do, we have to change the color as per our choice. Okay. This is the color or any color that we want to select. Okay. We can also use this. It depends on us. Okay. So this is now it is fine. Next thing that we have the axis. We have the axis. This is the legend. This is the legend. This is the axis. Axis is country. We have to change it. So for this, what we need to do? We have to format legend. We can take it to tough. It is the tough. Then here also this axis we can also change it. Format axis. So then we can bring it down. This is next to axis. We'll put it this we have seen in the previous lessons. Okay, now it is okay. Okay, now it is okay. Now we can add the title. So the title is Moody's GDP forecast. Okay, so this is what there is here also. You can also rectify Moody's GDP forecast. Now the dumbbell is ready. So what this dumbbell tells about, you can see this. The lengthier is the dumbbell, the higher the country impacted. Okay. This is what this tells. So same thing we have seen in the previous lessons in the form of a flow chart. The same thing we are here getting the dumbbells. Okay. These dumbbells represents a particular country. Okay. The lengthier the dumbbells, lengthier the impact. So Italy here you can see the Italy is impacted more by the change, and here India if you see it is the least. Okay. So this is how we can create a dumbbell chart. Okay. That's for the lesson. See you in the next one.